Hello everyone, I'm mounting another 1.8 static supermodel, and this is what you say about this? Lancia, not Lancia. I know that in English they say Lancia, but the right pronunciation is Lancia. In Italian is Lancia. Stratos, fantastic winning rally car. This is what I have made up to now, and this is the remote control for all the functions. So we have horn, engine, on, off, lights, other lights, and this is brakes, perhaps. I don't know. Okay, I have, look at this. They're fantastic. They are so nice, so real. Can you see? Perhaps with a little bit more, okay, with the light. And why do I do this? This is part of my job. I tell every time I make this kind of videos on 1.8 static models. They are very fascinating, they are fantastic, and they're very expensive, because this model at the end will cost more than 1,000 euros. Okay, it's perfect. There's an engineering behind this. You have to design every single piece, you have to mold, to work every single piece, to put all the screws in these very little bags, and there's a lot of work. You have a lot of functions, and yes, of course, it's quite expensive, but you stay at the work for more than 2 years, perhaps. 110, 140, 99 issues, and for all this time you have the joy to buy a little piece that costs quite nothing, few money, and they give me all the collection. It comes also with this kind of pamphlets. I show you, because you see here you have instructions and history. Some with glows it's quite difficult. These are just the instructions. You have some history of the car, of the race, and you learn a lot of things. I enjoy good music. Unfortunately, I can't play the music because there's a copyright problem. Now I'm listening to a great piano player, a French one. He was a very little man, but a very, very great piano player. I don't know if you can say the name, Michael Petrucciani. Perhaps this is not under trademark. Hope so. Listen to the music, do this. They also pay me to do this, and it's quite nice, isn't it? Okay, I will show you other things. And now I am making this. This is the dashboard. That is fantastic. All the details. This cord for the radio. I had to do handbrake. There's everything. The dials are illuminated. This is the wire, and from behind we have this part of the car. Now I am making this, that is the wipers engine. It's fantastic, fantastic. Oh, I forgot. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. And at this point of the assembling, I want to show you why this car was so winning. Look, it's quite a square. It's fantastic. It is long, quite as large. It's like a go-kart. And look at the quality of the details. The dashboard is simply wonderful. Sorry for the camera touching and the front, suspension. These are the brake tubes. This has to be connected. And under, tubes, wires. Ooh, this is a very great work, but the model is really fantastic. Yes, I'm arrived at issue 61 on 110, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 110. And yeah, wonderful. Keep on going. And this is the ceiling. Let me see these two pieces. Where do they have to go? Okay, on this side, like this, just the pressure. And this is the roll cage. This is step 70. The right door with the opening window and this pocket, soft pocket. And this is the left one. Now, for today, bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Tomorrow, perhaps, you will see this car finished. Ciao.